Welcome back to Lena's 1939 Creole Recipes, where I'm cooking my way through the original New Orleans cookbook, the first cookbook authored by a black Creole chef from New Orleans, Lena Richard. Today we're doing vintage mac and cheese, and this is maybe the simplest macaroni and cheese recipe I've ever seen. Here are the ingredients. It's only 5 ingredients. Can you believe that? And here's the actual recipe. This is the pan I'm using. With no further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to start by salting and oiling my water and then boiling my pasta in the water for 9 to 10 minutes so we have the perfect al dente pasta. For any further questions, just refer back to the recipe. Okay, I'm fucking with it. It's good though. Hell yeah. I did not expect it to be this good. Final notes, I loved it. Everybody in the house ate it. It looked watery when it came out, but you gotta mix it. Once you mix it, it's perfect. I was astonished. I'm speechless.